Welcome, pal. We're about to embark on an out-of-this-world adventure, quite literally. But first, I'd like to gauge what you already know. Can you list some words or concepts related to space? Excellent input. You must be familiar with terms like planets, stars, and black holes. Well, in this lesson, we're going to dive even deeper. Let's start by understanding what we mean by space. Now imagine you have a room. Remove everything from it. The furniture, the walls, even the air. What you're left with is an emptiness. That's what space is, a vast expanse where everything in the universe exists. It's like an endless ocean, but instead of water, it has planets, stars, galaxies, and so much more floating in it. Why don't we explore some words associated with space? So you know those starry cities in the sky that look like someone splashed millions of glowing dots on a dark canvas? That's a galaxy. A galaxy is a massive gravitationally bound system that consists of stars, stellar remnants, interstellar gas and dust, and dark matter. In simpler terms, think of it as a colossal city of stars. We're living in one called the Milky Way, and it's like our cosmic neighborhood. The next word is a nebula. A nebula is an enormous cloud of dust and gas in space. Some nebulae are regions where new stars are being formed, while others are the remains of dead or dying stars. Nebulae can be colorful, and their appearance has led to names like the Horsehead Nebula or the Ring Nebula. The next is cosmic rays. Cosmic rays are not rays in the way we think of light rays or ray beams. Instead, they are highly energetic particles that are mostly made up of protons, which are subatomic particles found in the nucleus of an atom. These rays come from various sources in space before striking the Earth's atmosphere. Their origins can be from our sun or from distant galaxies, and they are constantly bombarding Earth. Asteroids are next. Asteroids are rocky, airless remnants left over from the early formation of our solar system about 4.6 billion years ago. They are primarily found in the asteroid belt, a region of space located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. They vary in size from tiny pebbles to about 940 kilometers. That's about 583 miles in diameter. What do you know about satellites? In the broadest sense, a satellite is any object that orbits around another object in space. Most satellites are natural, like moons. Earth's moon is a natural satellite. However, the term satellite often refers to man-made objects launched into space to orbit Earth or another celestial body. These man-made satellites can be used for communication, weather monitoring, navigation, and many other purposes. Orbit is next. An orbit is the gravitationally curved path that an object follows around a point in space. For example, planets orbit stars and moons orbit planets. In our solar system, Earth orbits the Sun once every 365 days. Similarly, the Moon orbits the Earth approximately once every 27.3 days. Space is indeed glorious with the different words there are and the magnificent roles they play. Now, here's a closed passage for you to practice. All you need to do is fill up the passage with the appropriate words and ensure they flow logically. You could pause the screen to buy time. All right, pal, so the completed passage reads, "The Milky Way is a vast galaxy where our solar system resides. Sometimes, when stars are born, they form in a nebula, a beautiful and colorful area filled with gas and dust. As we look to the sky, we might see some high-energy cosmic rays zooming around, even though they're invisible to the naked eye. Floating around in space are asteroids, which are rock-like structures that move around the sun. Our very own moon is a natural satellite, and it moves around our Earth in a specific path called an orbit. Well done, champ! There are other words related to space. Why don't you find them out? See you.